Unlock the magic of reading for your kids with the Osmo Reading Adventure Kit. It's perfect for little ones at the start of their reading journey or young pros ready to take on new challenges. Whether they're just learning the alphabet or starting to build sentences, this game adapts to their pace. With the Advanced Reader Kit, my almost 6-year-old can conquer new phonics and sight words. Meanwhile, the Beginner Kit guides my nearly 4-year-old through cat, box, and beyond. Osmo's state-of-the-art speech recognition technology guides your child through each lesson, providing real-time feedback as they read. And if they hit a tough word, a simple wave of the crystal wand brings help from their reading buddies, Oliver and Nebula. Just remember, to jump into this adventure, you will need a compatible iPad, which is sold separately. Inside the box, there's everything else you'll need: the Osmo base, reflector, 4 captivating leveled books, a magical crystal wand, and access to the Enchanting Reading Adventure app. And the best part, no Wi-Fi necessary. I highly recommend.